Hello guys.
We're in India.
Yes.
Not a lie this time. We're actually here.
This is our first day going out.
We always come on this camera and like aim to say what we're doing for the day, but we actually never know. So don't ever listen to us. We're about to get on the metro though and head to a tomb. That's like the first stop, and then yeah, I'm not really sure what we're doing after that, but we'll see.
What's happened, Loz? What happened?
My first selfie.
Took the tripod out to get some pictures, got told off by a security guard.
Oh, my arm's aching.
And then another security guard comes up to us and he took us around and then took a tip off of us. So it's like...
Well, he took loads of good photos of us too.
Yeah,
so
it was worth...
He earned it.
It was worth 500 rupees. 500
though? I was like, okay, you got 50. And Sam was like, you got 500. And I was like, 500?
Yeah, it was worth every rupee though. The security guard was telling us all about the history of this place, and the president and his wife and his 3 children all was murdered at the same time when there was, like, I assume some political uprising in the 1500s.
But the mad thing is, right, they're actually in like an actual tomb.
So our last day in Delhi, we are here at Ashkadam Temple.
Akshadam Temple. Anyway, you can't take any cameras or anything in, so I don't know how we're going to get some shots today. They said that we could take photos of the outside and you have to drop everything off before you go to the inside. But we're at the entrance and there's already a cloakroom here, so I'm not really sure what's going on.
Yeah, we'll see what we can do.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. And then later on we're going to explore Old Delhi, so we'll show you around.
Stay tuned.
Let's go. It was amazing, beautiful.
Most incredible place I've ever seen.
But it was actually free.
Yeah, fantastic.
And we got some pictures.
And we made some friends.
Yeah. They're not gonna
What's going on, guys? We're here with our friend Abhi from Tripo Fans. Yo, yo, yo. We're just going out on a little day trip to New Delhi and going out shooting. Old Delhi, sorry. Old Delhi. Yeah, exciting. Can't wait. We'll see how we get on. Oh, Loz off the wrong way again.
Oh, I never know. So we made it to Old Delhi. It's a little bit more mad than New Delhi.
This place is bloody mental.
That's better. We're just getting some food with our mate. He studied in England.
From Bradford.
Bradford.
Lovely.
Brilliant.
Lovely.
Lovely jubbly.
I think this is Delhi's little spice alley. The smell is amazing. They've got these beautiful spices. Right now, guys, we're on top of a roof terrace that Abhi took us to in Old Delhi.
Thanks, Abhi.
Right above the spice markets here. Look, it's lovely. And now we're going to go and see some monkeys.